Hi and welcome to ISBI. Last week was very busy, both private and business. You certainly know this stressful time at the end of the year. Because of that, I have made just a small project in my workshop. I made name stars for the family Christmas dinner. First, I cut the board to equal square pieces.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it
Next, I cut one piece to a star shape.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I built myself a new life from the ground up.
Then I use the already cut out star as a template to transfer the shape to 3 of the other pieces.
Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far,
Next, I nailed each 2 pieces together. I set the nails just on the outside of the drawn shape. If I had a bigger bandsaw, I would nail all pieces together.
I hope it will be all that
Then I cut out the star shape on all pieces. In this way, I can cut 2 stars at once.
you can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
Then I use a Forstner drill to make blind holes for the candles.
The merriest Christmas.
I painted the stars white and my wife has write the names on it and make some decorations.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumb up, share and stay tuned for future projects. See ya!